to get cold so it stops boiling, da da da. Dale, do me a favor, turn the vacuum pump back on. Okay, that should get cold enough now. Hear that?
Yeah.
That's the sign that tells you that the watch glass is almost liquid nitrogen temperature. Okay, so now let's just top this off.
Freezing zone.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is remove the hottest molecules, right? That's what boiling is. That's what evaporation is. The hottest ones that reach the surface of the pond in there actually escape, and the vacuum pump can take them away. So we're actually cooling that puddle of liquid in there. So it started at about 300 below zero. We're lowering the pressure and cooling that puddle of liquid. I'm doing this slowly for fun.
You can see it boiling now.
Right, it's starting to boil again because we reduced the pressure. So again, the hottest molecules are leaving behind the statistically colder ones.
Nice.
And we've made it so cold that you saw air turn into slush, and now you see solid air.
Whoa.
So it's air that's so cold that it is turned into a solid. And then the kids always want to say, "Can I touch it?" Remember, it's 300 below zero, right? But yeah, let's touch it. Let's get it out. Oh shoot!
Oh,
okay,
no.
turn me back on. Yeah, yeah. No matter how hard you try, you cannot get the solid air out of there. So, but there you have it.
Oh,
You've seen
wow.
air that's so cold that it's a solid. So,
That's
and
awesome.
at least at this pressure,
is amazing.
we can never touch it.
Do we know what's the pressure there right now?
It's actually not that much below atmospheric.
Okay.